Hello students, we are discussing very first topic of the course, communication. Uh, since last two lectures, we have discussed about the term communication, its origin, then definitions of communications, then models of communications we have seen. And as I told you, the most appropriate model of communication is given by John Paul Lejeune because communication is a two-way process. As I had given the example, if I'm talking to you people, then you are responding me either in a positive or negative way. This is the negligible part actually, but you are responding. And for that matter, I had given you example of your granny as she was used to tell your story, and you were responding her, hmm, likely. So communication is a two-way process. If someone is speaking to you, then you will definitely respond back to communicator or the back to that person, whatever it is. So if you explain the communication process in a diagrammatical way, then here is the diagram you can see. As we all are the students of agriculture, then how the communication, basically extension communication, is taking place in the field of extension or in the field of agriculture, that we are going to learn. See, how is the communication takes place in agriculture? As agriculture is the main occupation of this nation, then majority of the population is depend on farming, and it is a necessary thing that farmer should upgrade their knowledge. If they have to sustain in the world, then they must upgrade themselves. That traditional agriculture will no more useful. So for upgrading, the second aspect, that is a research is most important, and the whatever the latest technologies are there, latest varieties are there, so farmers should aware of this. And who is going to play the important role in this matter? Extension worker, because name itself extension, that means he is going to extend that technology to the farmer's field. So how the system is taking place, you will see research is that basically first fundamental or basic sciences or basic research is there, physics, chem, bio, these are the fundamental sciences, no? And on that basis, or for example Newton's law is there, then the E equal to mc square is there, or many fundamental concepts are there. And on that line of these fundamental concepts, we build some theory, or we build some technology that will be the applied sciences. So fundamental research is there, then that fundamental research is used for a um, for innovating new technologies, that becomes the applied sciences. And as from the research which carried out or which comes out, results come out from that applied sciences, we should take a trials. In the field of agriculture, we should take the trials on farm. For example, that MPKB Rahuri come up with a new variety. So how one can compare this with traditional one? That we will see its trial on farm, and we'll compare which variety is best one. So that trials are called as adaptive or on-farm trials. And a moment ago, I told you people the most, uh, what you can say, the appropriate model of communication is the Legion's model. So what I have placed this model here, communicator is there, then message, channel, then fourth one is a treatment and presentation, audience, and audience response. That is also the feedback we can call. So in the field of agriculture or in the field of extension, who is the communicator to the farmers? Extension worker. Then what will be message with him? That will be the technology or any improved varieties information. So that will be the message. Then channel. What will be the channel? Either it can be a oral one, either he's communicating through the online mode, either he's communicating by telephone. Might be any channel will be there. Channel, as I told you, it is a bridge which connects the communicator to the audience. Then treatment and presentation. As the extension worker, what is his role? To convert the scientific language into the farmer's language, which can be best understood by the farming community. So that will be the treatment and presentation. Then audience are the farming community, and what the knowledge gained by the farming community from the extension worker, whether they understood it or no. And then at the end, they will respond back to the communicator or extension worker. This whole system is called as an extension communication system, or in better way, you can say it is a communication process. So let's go in deep and deep. Very first element of the this extension communication system is the communicator. So communicator, here are the elements. Here you can see the communicator. As I told you, who is the communicator? The person who starts the communication process, or the person who is having a message with him and wants to communicate or wants to extend to the farming community. Actually, this agriculture is the most important field because the growth of the nation will depends on the growth of agriculture. And when agriculture can grow, when it will get the best scientist and best extension worker, because whatever the latest technologies are there, the farmer should be get informed about these existing new technologies, so he can upgrade himself, his farm, and then can produce more. So there are some expected qualities are there about the communicator. So what the community or the what kind of communicator characteristics should have? He should possess some characteristics. So first of all, what he should know about the whole communication process. So he must know his objectives first. That means specifically defined. What should his objective? That I have to increase the yield, or I have to increase the income of the farming community. So our honorable Prime Minister have mm, have laid the objective doubling the farmers' income up to the 2022. So what was the issue? Farmers are a very good producer, but when he reached to the market, his value becomes zero. And so what you might be watching in the newspapers or the in the news, that number of farmers are committing the suicides. So extension worker should have the clear agenda, should have the clear objective, what objective he has to achieve. So specifically defined. Second thing, his audience. Who is his audience? Farming community. Then what are the farming needs? What are the farming interests? What are the abilities of the farmers? And what are the dispositions they possessed or they have? If I go reach to the grape growing area, what's the use to tell the information about the pomegranate? It's zero use. So I must know their needs. Then regarding the message, the farmer must have a clear understanding about his message, what he has to extend. For that sake, he should know the content. He should know the either that message is valid or no. He must have the clear insight about the use of the message and the importance of the message. Then regarding the channel, what channel he is going to use, because you will see many old age farming community or the old age farmers are the illiterate one. So it is of zero use to go with them with the such PowerPoints or the some what you can say, the English language. It's zero use. So I must have these some live samples. If I have to show them, or if I have to explain say diseases of the grape, then I must go with live samples. So this is all. Then how to organize and treat the message, treatment and presentation, how he should treat. That means he should have the farmer's language. He should know the farmer's language. Then he must know his professional abilities and limitations. If you are watching some movies of Amitabh, actually he is called as an angry young man. That means in his movies he always been a Protestant, and he is working like Masiha. That if anybody or anything is happening surrounding, then he will come out and will defend it. So actually, extension worker cannot do such things, no. So he must know his limitations. Then regarding his interest part, he must be interested in his audience and welfare, their welfare. If he don't concern with their with his audience, then he cannot relate himself with the farming communities. He will remain as a professional one, and if you are remain as a professional, your impact will be zero. So extension workers should or must have an interest in his audience and their welfare. Then he should believe on his message. If he is thinking, hey, this message is having the zero value or zero use, then how he is going to explain the people? So he must be interested in his message. Then result of communication and their evaluation. He must be interested to getting know about the system of communication or the result of communication. That means he must be interested in hearing the feedback of the people, whether whatever he have extended knowledge among the farming community, whether they understood it or no. He should have such interest. Then he should have the interest in communication process. He should value all the elements of the communication. Then communication channels. He must be familiar with the communication channel. If he is unfamiliar in using the channels, then he might be remain in tension how to use the channel. And main part of the communication that will what you can say, that will be secondary importance. Then he must have an interest to improve his communication skills. Then see last one actually regarding the communication skill. If I'm telling you, and if Salman or Amitabh Bachchan is telling you, which one will have the great impact? Definitely these stars will have. So communication skill. Then regarding the preparation, he must have a plan for communication. That means the how he is going to implement this. Then material and equipments, you can say the channels. Then plan for evaluation. That means whether farmer have understood it or no. That will be the plan of evaluation. Then regarding the skill part, actually he should have a skill in selecting the message, because in the books a variety of information is there, bundle of information is there, but he must have a such a eye, bird's eye we can say, or the eagle's eye you can say, that to select the message. Then treating the message, how I should bind this message in the farmer's language, that is the treatment part. Then regarding the experiencing or the expressing messages, that means the implementation part or the presentation part. Then selection and use of channels, appropriate selection should be there. Then understanding his audience, their mindset, because ultimately what is our aim? The audience welfare. And if they are not interested, they are not understanding, then what's the use of communicating or communication? So I must understand the community, that audience, and evidence of results. That means the evaluation part. Many times, uh, extension worker or communicator fail to have an idea about the communication process. So what are the qualities? You can categorize them and into the qualities of poor communicator. So which are the qualities? He failed to have an idea to present. That means his failure in a good presentation. Then failed to give the complete story and relationship with the people problems. Sometimes, or actually, how should you present? See, we are the people who always like to hear the stories. You know? So complete story means what? That the chronological sequence must be there. So extension worker should have a skill to place the activity in a sequential way. But some people fail to have such a skill. Then forget that time and energy are needed to absorb the material presented. In Marathi, idiom is there. P haladani ho gori. It never will happen. No, you must require some time. So that is applicable for the farming community too. Then they feel they are always clearly understood. Many times, even my misconception will be there that mm, whatever I'm teaching you people, you are getting understood. Not at all. Everybody's IQ is different, everybody's concentration power is different. So I must uh, be remain away from such things. Then refuse to adjust. Closed minds. Actually, closed minds are there. No, some people are there who hardly open in the society. But being extension worker, I must deal with them. But the people refuse to adjust. Then talk while others are not listening. If people are not listening, then what's the use? So I must stop there. So such a characteristics are there. Then get far too ahead of audience understanding. If audience are not understanding, and if I'm punching and punching and punching, what's the use? So that is again the one of the quality. Then recognize others view. I must keep in consideration yours view, because I can never say that the students don't know anything. Not at all. And if I'm dealing with the farming community, then I must uh, keep this thing in mind, because this is a farming community and practicing the farming since their childhood. So I must have such a thing. Then fail to recognize that communication is a two-way process. That means everybody should get a chance to express himself. Then fail to see that everyone understands questions brought up for a discussion. So that is regarding the question part. Then permissive atmosphere. Permissive atmosphere, that means what? That the enthusiastic environment. That I should create such an environment that everybody should feel free. So this is one thing is that. Then disregard the values, custom, prejudices, and habits of the people. Actually, in the farming communities, values and customs are really most important. So I must understand their customs, values, what they valued, what are their customs, what are their rituals performed. So such things I must keep in mind while communicating with the people. Then fail to start where the peoples are with respect to knowledge, skill, interest, and need. I must start with a zero. That is the most important thing. Second element of the communication process is a message, but I think for you people I should stop here. Thank you. Next part we will cover in another lecture.